my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Deke. If today is the first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. Okay, so today, in the last few weeks, actually, we've been learning about, I want to eat, I want to do this, how do you say this, how do you say that, okay? So we're just going to take it a little bit further, just a tiny bit further. So, for example, I am eating, for example, okay? So, mo ń jẹun, you already know that is not news. By now, I expect you to know I am eating in Yoruba, which means mo ń jẹun, okay? So, we just want to take you further. Where are you eating? Or what are you eating? Okay? So, today, we're going to focus on where, okay? So, for example, mo ń jẹun lórí tábìlì. Last year, I did teach about things that you can see in the bedroom, in the living room, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the toilet, okay? So by now, I expect you to know these words, okay? If you do not know it, go back and watch those videos, please, okay? So, mo ń jẹun lórí tábìlì. I am eating on the table. If you're eating, on the sofa, for example, you can say mo ń jẹun lórí àga. Àga, okay? If you're eating in your bedroom, you can say mo ń jẹun nínú yàrá. Okay? If you're eating in the passage, for example, you can say mo ń jẹun lóde. For some of us who grew up in Nigeria, we know you don't necessarily eat your food on the dining, even though it's there. You don't really eat your food on the sofa, even though it's there. You don't really eat your food in the bedroom. Sometimes you do. But some of us, we just like to sit on the hallway, especially with a big family house. We just sit on the hallway. So the hallway is called ode. Mo ń jẹun lóde. Okay? So, I'll leave you with that this week. I don't know what is it? I think all day is an abuse. No, actually, all day. Mo ń jẹun lóde. Okay? Lóde, not all day. Okay, they're two different things. All day is when you're abusing someone, which is not a nice word to learn. Okay? Shotiyewa. Do you understand? Shotiyewa. Remember when I tell you Shotiyewa, you say Otiyewa. That means you understand and you say it Otiyewa. Okay? Alright then, until I see you next week, okay? We'll say our order for together on the count of Enyo, Ejo, Eta, Oya, O, Double. Thank you very much, Eshu.